Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix X, formerly Twitter, app not working. So to do this and to fix this, there is some common problems. We are going to see them one by one and check why the app is not working. So the first thing, you should check that your X app is already connected to the internet. And to check that, you have to go to settings. After that, go to cellular. And after that, scroll down and go and click on show all. And after that, look for X app and open it. And as you can see here, the settings should be on WLAN and cellular data, not only in WLAN or like on off, because if this option is on off, that means the app will not connect to the internet and your account will not open at all. And if it's set to WLAN, that means the app will only work if you are connected to Wi-Fi. But when it's WLAN and cellular data, that means your app will always work no matter you are using your like mobile data or using Wi-Fi. So it's like that. The second thing, if you are using like an iPhone, you should go and check if there is an update for the app. And to check that, you have to go to the Apple Store, and after that type X and go to the app. As you can see, there is no updates for me because the blue icon is open. But if this blue icon on the top is update, sometimes you have to update the app so it will be working again. And if this also is not working, because for the iPhones there is no clear cache option, so here you should go to the app and delete it and install it again. And to delete the app, you have to long press on it. After that, click on remove app and click on delete, and like that you will delete the app. And after that, go to the Play Store and download it again and open your account. And by trying one of these three solutions, I'm pretty sure that the app will work again without any problems. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.